Most card wallet make you seed phrase write down on a paper. If you lose the paper, you are losing your crypto. DCENT S changes that completely. Hi everyone, my name is Amit. In this episode, we will take a look to the DCENT S recovery kit. This is the overview of DCENT S recovery kit. The card form cold wallet with a backup card built in self custody, ready out of the box. Here you can see actual price is $59, but right now if you use affiliate link you might save $15 over here and original price becomes $44. The promotion period until 17th August. This is the deadline of the promotion. Not your keys, not your coins, it's time to take them back. You can use this card daily, recover it always. This card works as backup. In this package, when you purchase this kit, you will receive two cards. First is the card, second is the recovery card. It means you have to set up your wallet with these both cards. Let's say if you have lost one card, you are still ready to access your wallet using that one card. Interesting, right? You can watch this video for the simplification. It comes with two physical cards in the box, your daily DCENT S card and a duplicate recovery backup card. You tap the backup card once during setup, and if you ever lose your primary card, the backup card restores your wallet instantly without writing down seed words. It restores your seed phrases in a secure form. This is the aim of DCENT. Everyday convenience and security. It's just a NFC based card. No cables, no charging, battery free design that runs entirely via NFC. Tap on your phone. Bank grade protections, EAL6 plus certified secure elements, the same grade used in a national IDs and bank cards. Board asset supports over 4,900 tokens across 100 plus chains. You can check supported tokens here. This is the list of supported tokens and 100 plus blockchains over here. 4,959 tokens are available here to store, and 100 plus blockchains like BTC, Ethereum, Smart Chain, Solana, Dogecoin, TRX, Cardano, BCH, Near, LTC and Polygon and so on. 100 plus blockchains networks are supported by this token. Still, if you have any suggestion, if you want to see any coin which you are not seeing right now but it is useful for you, you can suggest a coin to add here. Okay. Weather durability, IP69 water and dust proof, works in extreme from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius. So it's a waterproof as well. Designed for life in motions, every angle engineered for daily life. Slim enough for your wallet, tough enough for whatever comes next. In the cafe you can easily access, in the car you can easily access, in a pocket you can easily put this and accessible. Right now 25% offer is ongoing. Original price is $59. As I said recently, $44 is offered price, discounted price using affiliate link. You can get this dual card code wallet for setup for under $45. Interesting, right? Also, if you are looking for different product like DCENT Biometric wallet, $40 discount using affiliate link. Affiliate link is mentioned in the video's description, so you can simply find out and check that. It's very easy to use, better than this writing on a paper, and if you lose that paper you will lose your cryptos. That's simple. If you use this recovery card, then it is accessible using two cards. First, if you lose it, still it is accessible with the secondary one. Okay, that's how 4 layers of protection has been given here. EL6 plus secure element, that's why no need to worry about the security. Temper resistance design, encrypted storage, recovery backup card, all security terms are given here. If you go through this product, which is DCENT Biometric wallet, here also additional security comes, that is fingerprint. This is very unique in the cryptocurrency industry because DCENT can be one of the wallet that has provided fingerprint technology. 2 cards, 1 box and 0 compromise. That's how secure environment looks like. If you have any questions, you can see here. What is cold wallet? Is DCENT really secure? What makes DCENT as different from other cards from wallet? What if I lose DCENT card? All questions answers are given here. Okay, I hope today's video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.